Tonight's event was totally over the top, spectacular. It was far better than I had dreamed that it would be. Our goal is to empower women to effectively change so our communities get changed. Our moms are home with their kids, they're home with their husbands and their friends. And we feel that by creating beautiful women on the outside, it gives them the power to change on the inside, and we can effectively teach them about wellness and caring for themselves on the inside as well, and it just seems to boost their self-esteem. Some of the things that you see when a woman is fully made over is transformational. I grew up with the alcoholic mother, and I think if my mother would have not consumed her life with the bottle, how effective she could have been with me in my life. So watching these women get up on their feet so they can be there for their children, it means a lot to me.